Thank you for joining us on the news update on Enyimba TV. I am Mary Ihejirika. The Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps Special Intelligence Squad has uncovered an ongoing illegal bunkering site located at Tombo Camp, Well-9 Waterfront, Umuegusi community of Owaza Town in Okwa West local government area of Abia State. According to a press release from the National Public Relations Officer, CSC Afolabi Babawale, on Thursday, Enyimba TV gathered from the CGS-SIS commander DCC Apollos Dandaura that upon storming the identified location, the operatives discovered a massive expanse of land with over 10 active local cooking ovens and drums categorized into 3-in-1, 2-in-1 and single drum used for boiling crude. He hinted that some of the discovered local cooking pots were actively boiling suspected stolen crude oil into adulterated automotive gas oil. DC Apollos went further to say that 3 suspects had been arrested for their involvement in crude oil theft and vandalism. They are Joseph Kokigan, male, 37 years, from Opopo, Nkoro local government area of Rivers State, acclaimed owner of the wooden boat. Amadi Glory, female, 26 years, from Omoma local government area of Rivers State, a waiting buyer of the stolen crude by the waterfront, and a buried Chioma, male, 32 years, an indigene of Eche local government area of Rivers State. While on the sting operation, the following exhibits were also sighted and dismantled: several 3-in-1 drum cooking ovens, 2 numbers of 2-in-1 ovens, a single drum, different lengths of galvanized iron pipes, metal funnels, over 50 pieces of 30 liters jerry cans, 6 metal and plastic buckets, an estimated quantity of over 100,000 liters of siphoned crude oil packaged in cellophane nylons already loaded in the local cooking ovens, and shovels and cutlasses. According to the release, the suspects will be charged to court of competent jurisdiction at the expiration of a thorough investigation. Please join us for more updates on our subsequent bulletins. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Click on the notification bell to receive alerts when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. On behalf of the production team, I am Mary Ihejirika. Have an amazing day.